Hello everybody, this video is for 14 and older. If you're not 14 and older, turn off now. Everybody else, let's go have some fun and talk about RCs. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be messing around with my little Gen 8 here. I've put some bigger tires on it. I'm not sure exactly of the size. I'll have to let y'all know down in the description or something, or maybe post it later. But I took the stock wheels off and did a lot to get them on there. I'll have to show you some of that. I'll just add on a video at the end of this, so just keep on watching and I'll show you the size of the tires and how I put them on there. But long story short, we're just going to play out here at this little creek I found and see what kind of fun we can have for just a few minutes. It's kind of a chilly day. Haven't got time to go out and make a really good video this week. Unfortunately, I have a sick mother in the hospital, but I just wanted to make sure you guys knew I was on top of it and wanted to show y'all something that I've been working on. Let's see if we can get down in here and have some fun. Of course, I had to start out right where the rock was huge. Big old tires on there. None of the electronics even thinking about touching the ground. I like that. As you can see, it hasn't took any of its ability away, it looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna go much further because it gets deep right here. So let's see if we can turn it around. Oh, we lost the body. Oh, we lost the body. Okay, gotta fix that. Alright guys, pick up where we left off. I'm still trying to drive one-handed, so forgive me, that's probably some of the reasons I'm having so many troubles. Look, we got the neighborhood kitty wanting to check us out. She knows a cool RC truck when she sees one. What's up, kitty cat? Look, she's chasing us around. Now I put an aftermarket servo on this one. It's actually a Banggood servo, does 25 kilograms, and as you can tell, it has no problem turning those big old tires. Looks like a good spot to turn around. Guy just eats it up with these tires. These tires are awesome, guys. I mean, it totally changed the performance of my Gen 8. My Gen 8 would get hung up on these rocks and it would go, but nowhere near as easily. I mean, look at this big rock I'm on right now. Look at that. Right over it. And as you can tell, I love the height that keeps all the electronics out of the water or even close from the water. Look at that. Don't seem like it's gotten any more top heavy either. So if that was the question you guys have, as you can tell, it seems to be just fine. I really love my Scout. Uh-oh, we might be hung up in some water. No, sir. Out we go. Look at there. Reverse is brutal on these things. Just a little touchy. Oh no! All right, back at it. Here we go. Let's see if we can get that over this big old rock right here. Look at that. Yeah. Loving the tires, guys. I ain't too crazy about going over big rocks like that. But I think it would do it. Let's see if we can come up this bank right here. It's a lot steeper than it looks on camera. I'm getting hung up on a rock right there. It's not even trying. That rock right there is getting me. Let's see if we can go just a little bit to the left or right of it and make it happen. There we go. Look there. Right on out. It still seems a little front heavy going downhill, and I've moved a few odds and ends around inside of it electronically to try to get the balance better, but you can only do so much without moving everything completely and putting some weights on it. And this is all stock pretty much, other than a servo, the tires, and the motor. The motor is a, I believe, a 45 turn. But it is brushed, it's not brushless. And it does really good. I like how slow I can crawl, how I can just creep on things. And then when I need it, I have power on tap. Not as much as a brushless system, of course, but you know, it is torquey and it does do its job, which is what you're looking for out of a motor. I got good performance. I don't have brushless performance because it's not a brushless motor, but I have great brush performance. Saved it. Now you see how big those rocks were, guys, it just went over? I don't know if you can quite tell from the wide angle on this lens, but they were pretty good size. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can we save it? Let's see if we can save it. Oh, saved it. Oh, we bossed our top. All right, guys. Got the top back on one more time. I think, as a finale, and since I've gotten so many new subscribers this week, I will do something I'm not sure I should do with it because I haven't made sure everything's completely waterproof. But I'm going to try to take it down through here for you guys and bring it up down the creek. So let's just see how deep it really is. Want to, guys? Here we go. Here's where it gets deep right here. This is where I've been scared to take it. Let's see where it goes. Ooh. Ooh. Whatever's underneath there, we got over it. Ah, a lot of big rocks. That's what it is. You guys see them down in there? I'm pushing some water now, guys. Uh-oh, here comes the deep part. Really deep. Made it through it, no sweat. Loving this truck, guys. A lot of people knock Gen 8s, and I don't understand why. When you see performance like that at the price point it is, I mean, how can you knock a truck that's just that nice, honestly, for the price? Yes, I've done a few odds and ends, but you know, even when I got mine stock, I love this little truck. And that's what's made me want to upgrade it, is the fact that I liked it so much. It's not that it didn't perform well, is the reason I wanted to upgrade it. I wanted it to upgrade it so it performed even better. But there you go, guys. I think I'm going to call that a video for the day. I sure appreciate y'all watching. Please make sure you subscribe. I'd love to see this channel grow so I can do nothing but make videos all day long for you guys. But I can't do that without you subscribing. And leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of the tires. And if you would do something like this to yours. I mean, it's not a real hard modification. I'm going to shoot another video right after this one ends and attach it to here. So just keep on watching and I'll show you how I did the tires. And I'll show you the servo in it. And I'll also show you what modification I had to do on the wheel of the tire in order to get it to mount on here. But I didn't use any axle extenders or anything. It's still stock axles. Everything on the axles is stock. It's just I changed the tires. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching a little bit of crawling today. Something a little different from bashing. Talk to you guys next time. A little more running. Didn't have enough earlier. It's deep right there, boys. It's deep. It's deep. It's deep. Alright guys, I like that so much we're going to try to go back to it again. As you can tell, like I said, that servo turns them tires really good. Look at that, guys. Right up there, no issue. Oh, a little full throttle action, lost the lead. One more time, guys. Love them tires, look at that. Oh, I got magnets on the body, guys, and they're not seeming to work too well. As a matter of fact, look at there. One's already came off. See it? That's probably why it's not holding on too well. Oh well, I guess I'm going to go to regular body mounts next because I'm tired of dealing with the body unless I want to deal with it. It does seem to fall off too much. I did use Velcro at one point, didn't like it. And now I don't much care for the magnets. So I guess next forward is, like I said, putting the stock body mounts on it and seeing if it stays on that way and if I like it like that. I hate drilling holes in it to take away from the scale look, but I'm also tired of not being able to go play and not have to worry about the body. And look who we got to come back and see us. Hello, pretty cat. Hello, pretty cat. What are you doing? You checking out the cool RC? You like it? Huh? Checking out the cool car?